Okay, this is a small 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. Oh, looking at the timeline, it's 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, anyway, this is a video. I'm testing out a Z Screenrecorder, it's called. It's a little free program for download, free to use. You put it on your tablet, and what it does is it will record. If you start it before you start recording, it'll start recording everything it sees on your screen. And this is the DJI Go app that you're looking at now, and I'm recording the app, and you can see all the stuff down here at the bottom, this feet and so on, and miles per hour, all that, and the little compass over on the left. All that's part of the Go app. Now I just picked the quad up and I'm flying it around by hand. There's my monitor. I'm sitting at my desk. Now there's the down the bottom right corner, you'll see my my big Samsung tablet S2. There it is. And there's everything the camera on my quad is seeing at the moment. And then when I got done recording that, I put the quad back on the bed, shut it off, and went and tested the video quality of my capture there on that Z Screenrecorder app in the in my tablet, and it worked. Then I moved it over to my computer, to a file in my computer, so to save it, and deleted it off my I'm doing something here. I deleted it off my tablet, and then and now I opened it up in Adobe Premiere Elements, whatever it is, and I'm doing a voiceover. It won't record my voice for some reason. I know it's supposed to, but I don't know how to do it yet. Anyway, we're getting down to the end of this 3 minute and 12 seconds here, and I'm gonna just see how it works out. I'm getting ready to stop. You can see the video went black and white. That means everything is shut off. And there we go.